Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got bacon, lettuce, tomato. That's going to be a fried egg. This is going to be toast. Today it's a fried egg on a BLT toast with some mayo. That's it. BLT, everyone loves those. Fried eggs, I'm the fried egg sandwich king. So we're going to put this on toast recipe together. First, we're going to fry this egg up. Check it out. All right, we start off with some butter on a medium pan. All right, let's get the egg down. Perfections. A little pepper on that. Flipperoo. Perfect. Shut it off. Let's assemble this fine mess. Mayo, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Press it. A little salt, a little pepper. Now for sticky, a little mayo. Here's the star of the show. Fried egg right on top. Let's bust into this baby. Oh yeah. Let's eat this fine mess. There it is. Fried egg on BLT toast. How the heck am I gonna eat this? I just figured it out. There you go. Try it. Mmm. Right out the juiciness and sweetness of that tomato. Mmm. Got that bacon. The mayo. Mmm. The lettuce is refreshing. There's that egg. Awesome. Tastes just like a BLT with an egg right on top. Killer diller. Try this one. Simple. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my social medias. Keep living life 365 till next time. Peace.
Live life 365. Fast and easy. I cut my head off. What's the sweet bubble? Zoop!
Left the trash open. He wins moron of the day and a baba.